Yes. Quiz rules. So 4 rounds are there. One is mixed knowledge round. Knowledge round. In this, for each group, 5 questions will ask. Each question carries 10 marks. Passed question. In this round, the question is going to pass to other groups. So passed question will get 5 marks. And second round, it's a visual round. No passed question. Each group will give 2 visuals. So you have to identify the visual. For that, 5 marks. And in that, we'll ask 2 questions. Each question carries 5 marks. We have to them. One is science and another maths, next English, GK and social. In this we'll give the cheats. Among that, one you have to choose based on question. And fourth round, it is a super power round. It's an energy stamp. In this only one question will ask each group. Here this question carries 20 marks. There is no passed. This question is not going to pass. Okay? These are the round. All the best with your class. Are you excited? Yes. So here it is. It's for not for winning, not for losing. It's for only for learning something new. Yes? Okay. It's an excitement to know new things. Its first question. For each bird is known for its intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. I'll repeat the question. Which bird is known for its intelligence and ability to mimic human speech? Only 30 seconds time. Answer. Parrot. Yes, parrot is the right answer. Are there in 3 hours and 15 minutes? How many minutes are there in 3 hours and 15 minutes? Yes, 3 hours 15 minutes. 195 minutes. Say repeat once again. 195 minutes. Yes, right answer 195 minutes. Which part of the computer stores data permanently? Which part of the computer stores data permanently? Only 30 seconds time. Otherwise, I'll pass question to next. CPU. Wrong answer? Hard disk. Yes, right answer. Hard disk. So for this 5 marks now. Yes. Taj Mahal is a monument. Where it is located? And that state also. State, I am asking state and place. Taj Mahal is a monument. Where it is located? Agra, Delhi. Agra is correct. And I asked about the state. Delhi, it is the wrong answer. We'll go for the next. Raise your hand. Who says answer? State. Where is Agra located? Uttar Pradesh. Yes, right answer, Uttar Pradesh. So 5 minutes. So already completed. 4. What is the square root of 2025? What is the square root of 2025? First, big Bismarck. What is the square root of 2025? Yes. Say answer, otherwise we give chance for them. Whatever it answer. 4,009. Wrong answer. Who will raise answer? For them I will come. What is the square root of 2025? What is the square root of 2025? Yes? Yes.
1,100.
Wrong answer. Yes?
4 lakh 50.
No, wrong answer.
Yeah.
Audience.
4050.
No, wrong. Audience, I'll give prize. At least try. Yes, I'll give 45. 45. 20, 25, huh? 45. The square root of 2025 is 45. Yes. So here we'll ask 5 questions and past questions. If today is Monday, what day will it be after 50 days? If today is Monday, what day will it be after 50 days? It's a simple question. Today, if you think today is Monday, what day will be it after 50 days? Anything, any answer you have to say?
Saturday.
Wrong answer? Tuesday. Wrong answer. But all are saying it. Monday is wrong answer. Is last chance?
Friday.
Wrong answer. The right answer is Wednesday. Right answer is Wednesday. 50. You have to calculate 7 into 7, 49. Yes, 7 weeks. So 49th day it is Tuesday. 50th day? Wednesday. Yes. You have to. What is the purpose of doing yoga? What is the purpose of doing yoga? First, only 30 seconds time. What is the purpose of doing yoga? Say your words. Give mic others. Take mic and say the answer. Anything about yoga? Yes. What is the main purpose?
Mind will be fresh.
Mind will be fresh and then the
Body will be active.
yes, body will be active. So to improve physical and mental health. Yes, right answer. WW stands for in a website link. In websites we are seeing www dot. So what is www dot? www. 3 W's. In website www stands first. Yes. First they ask. Yes. Time is up. This hand raised.
Warriors, ma'am.
World Wide Web.
Yes, right answer. World Wide Web. World Wide Web. Yes, 5 marks for them. What is the smallest prime number greater than 100? What is the smallest prime number greater than 100? First.
11.
Yes, right.
101.
Yes, right answer. 101. Yes. If you arrange the letters of listen, you get the name of action. What is that action? If you rearrange the letters of listen, L-I-S-T-E-N, listen, you have to rearrange these letters, L-I-S-T-E-N. You get the name of action. What is that? Give chance for them. They have time. If you rearrange the letters of listen, you get the name of action. What is that action? Yes. Time is up.
Silent.
Yes, right answer. Silent. So Warriors team got 5 marks. Yes. Change the voice. The cake was eaten by the children.
The children.
Think. The cake was eaten by the children.
The The children ate the cake.
Yes, right answer. The children ate the cake. If 5 cats can catch 5 mice in 5 minutes, how many cats are needed to catch 100 mice in 100 minutes? Listen carefully. It's a logical thinking. If 5 cats can catch 5 mice in 5 minutes, how many cats are needed to catch 100 mice in 100 minutes?
5 mice. 5 cats.
Yes, right answer, 5 cats. Yes, ma'am. Next question. Which is the only continent without a desert? What is that continent?
Antarctica.
Wrong answer? Yes.
USA.
Wrong? Europe. Yes, right answer, Europe. So experts still got 5 marks. Europe, it has no desert. There is no desert. Yes. Next question. This is the last question. Last question. Fourth question. The only metal that is liquid at room temperature.
Mercury.
Yes, right answer. What is the cube root of 729? What is the cube root of 729? Yes, think. I'll pass to next 15. What is the cube root of 729? 729. Yes, think.
1458.
No, wrong answer. Cube root of 729. 1440. Wrong answer. So anybody will try?
243.
No, wrong answer. What is the cube root of 729?
59.
Wrong answer. Anybody audience? Come.
81.
No, wrong answer. Try it.
2187.
No. But Srihari has tried. But it's little more you have to try. Yes, I'll reveal the answer. So the answer is 9. 9. Yes. Produced when sunlight hits the skin.
Vitamin D, ma'am.
Yes, right answer. Vitamin D. Both a noun and a verb. I'll give the options. I'll give some words. Among that, one word, it is a both noun and verb. Run, blew, quick. I won't give past question for this. Which word is both noun and verb? Among these words, run, blew, quick.
Run, ma'am.
Yes, right answer, run. Next question. Woman to go to space.
Kalpana Chawla.
Kalpana Chawla. Yes, right answer. Yes. Next question. Which organ in human body produces insulin? Which organ in the human body produces insulin? It is used for diabetics. Diabetics.
Stomach.
Wrong answer.
Liver.
Wrong answer. Kidneys. Wrong answer. Which organ in the human body produces insulin?
Audience.
No, wrong answer. Yes, audience.
Lungs, ma'am.
No, wrong. Anybody try?
Blood, ma'am.
No. Yes, I'll reveal the answer. The answer is pancreas. Pancreas, it produces insulin. Yes. So first round has completed successfully. So now I'll...
Ma'am.
What are the primary colors? What are the primary colors? Yes, first. Red, yellow, blue. Red,
Yellow,
blue. Say correctly. Red, yellow, blue. Yes, right answer. Red, yellow, and blue. Yes, ma'am. I'll give the scores. Yes, experts group 30 marks. You be good in the place for them. Yes, champions group 25 marks. And master group 35 marks. And warriors group 35 marks. And now here two groups are in same position. Warriors group, you have 40 marks. Yes, experts got 30 marks, champions got 25 marks, masters got 35 marks, and warriors group got 40 marks. So the 40 marks warriors team is in first place. Yes. So here 4 teams are there. For each team, we'll give chance for 2 visuals. You only have to select. And we'll ask from the questions. Okay? Yes. First team. Anybody will come and yes, from there itself. Among that eight cards are there. Among that one you have to take. Yes. Yes. What is that? That image. Image. What is that image? Say answer. Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is right answer. So on that image I'll ask two more questions. In which city and which country it is located? Both you have to say. City and country.
Paris, France.
Paris?
France.
Yes, right answer. Paris and France. For each question 5 marks. And then next question. Who designed the Eiffel Tower? Who designed the Eiffel Tower? Guess it and sing it. In my question itself, you can guess it. Yes? Yes, audience. Come. I'll give prize. Is it correct? Come.
Augusta Berthold.
No. Wrong.